Hello and welcome to Henley Family Vlogs. We are down here at Union Station in St. Louis. We are going to the Polar Express.
Yay!
We got Jordan and Gigi with us and we have our PJs on, so we are going to take you along with us. I have never been on the Polar Express.
Me either.
Nobody has been on the Polar Express before, so this is going to be a new experience. Cuteness. So with the purchase of our ticket, we got a $5 parking validation, and then also a ticket for the wheel. And then here are our wristbands. So we have 4 tickets for the wheel since we have 4 tickets. And then these are our wristbands to get on the train. Yes.
Hang on to that golden ticket. Golden ticket.
Ticket?
Your phone is so I love
Yeah. You did really good.
After you get your wristband, they lead you into this room where you get your golden ticket, and this is like the waiting area. It's tons of activities and photo ops, a TV playing the movie The Polar Express, and this little photo op here with the Christmas ornaments is so adorable. But it is so beautifully decorated in this area, much to do and see. They also have a gift shop with merchandise, but we did not get a chance to go inside. I do also want to note that we went during the week and we got first class tickets. Our tickets were $55 each. The price does increase on the weekends. A first class ticket has a table in the middle of 4 seats, and it was perfect because it was 4 of us, but you will see the setup a little later. And we definitely took advantage of all of the photo opportunities that they had in this waiting area. Our departure was at 4:30, so make sure that you get there a little early so that you can take advantage of this waiting area. And they also have this little section over here where kids can write letters to Santa, and even a little mailbox here where they can mail them off. Picture on this green screen, and it is completely free. All we have to do is follow these instructions to view our photos.
So if you expect to board the forward train on the Polar Express, cut those doors, get into your line, and correspond to the name on your wristband, and prepare. Come on up, hurry, take those photos. And the reindeer, I'm thinking about. We all know the words. Why to the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express.
North Pole, is it real? It says here, no letter to Santa. No photo with Santa. You made your sister put out the milk and the cookies. Seems to me like this could be your crucial year. If I were you, I would consider hopping on board. Well, come on! I've got a schedule to keep. Are there any other boys and girls who would like to go to the North Pole? The Polar Express!
Very good, Joy. I like the red on the antlers too. Yes, very nice. Very on theme with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Oh.
Welcome aboard. Northern Lights will be to your right.
Moving to our table, we have our mugs, Polar Express, as well as our cookies. It's very pretty on here.
It's awful warm. It's warm in here.
Well, these people are just out there waiting. Said everybody's out there. Frank and Darcy.
Jordan is pissed because she wants to open up our cookies. Look at that. Is it cookie good?
Good.
We got it! We got it! Say, we got it!
Story of what happened to me when I was 8 years old.
The rest of you are going to learn
The
what it
story
is today.
of the Polar Express. On Christmas Eve, many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. I was listening for a sound a friend had told me I'd never hear. The ringing bells of Santa's sleigh. There is no Santa, my friend had insisted,
There's a Santa.
but I knew he was wrong.
He's my boss.
Late that night I did hear sounds, though not of ringing bells. From outside came the sounds of hissing steam and squeaking metal. I looked through my window.
3. Oh, Lord. Woo. Good job.
Are you coming?
That was good. You might put him out of the job.
Where? I
Don't
asked.
tell him.
Why, to the North Pole, of course,
We're going to the North.
was his answer.
We're going to the North
This
Pole.
is the Polar Express.
Why are we going to the
I took his
North
outstretched
Pole?
hand and he pulled me
That's where
aboard.
Santa is.
Why is Santa?
The train was filled with other children, all in their pajamas and nightgowns.
Are you in your pajamas?
We sang Christmas carols. Soon there were no more lights to be seen. We traveled through cold, dark forests where lean wolverine
I think there's wolves on the
thundered
train.
through the quiet wilderness.
Oh, I think we should be marking first. got the train.
We climbed mountains so high, it seemed as if we would scrape the moon. But the Polar Express never slowed down. The conductor led us outside. We pressed through the crowd to the edge of a large open circle. In front of us stood Santa's sleigh. The reindeer were excited. They pranced and paced, ringing the silver sleigh bells that hung from their harnesses.
It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle, step to your feet, jingle around.
We're moving kind of fast now.
Where's Santa?
Where's Santa?
It's me, Santa Claus. I'm excited to see you on the train.
Santa, 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 Santa.
Oh, Jordan, look.
I come out all the time and everybody's on the train. Well, hello. Hello to you too. I've heard you've been a very good little girl this year. Surprising, isn't it? Yeah. Well, is this your big sister over here? Oh, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
And your other sister here?
All right. Oh, thank you.
And you brought your big brother along too, didn't you? Yes, of course. Thank you, Santa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Give us a fun. I'll start with this one here, and can I get your initials?
Say J.A. Thank you. Appreciate it.
What are your initials?
B.H.
Jordan's golden ticket, J.A. Mine, S.H. And Brandon's, B.H. We just got off the Polar Express and it was so cute. They read the book, they did some dancing, they had hot cocoa and a cookie. And Jordan is up at the top of this slide right now trying to come down. Come on, babe. But yeah, I'm gonna show you around the rest of Union Station. So right now we're on the playground. Sorry. So you have the little jungle gym back there, carousel here, and then they also have mini golf back here. A little play train right here. And Jordan is trying to get on this carousel. But here is the playground. And then they also have like a taco truck here. And then of course the wheel, which we have the free tickets that came with the Polar Express. Take a better view of the wheel. We have it decorated for Christmas with a huge Christmas tree. This is so beautiful. And then the Landry's here. So a couple of different eating spots. There's also the soda fountain with ice cream, candy, burgers, and booze. Love that. More of the decor. Have little fishies in here.
A fishy.
You see the fish? And they also have the fire and light show out here at the top of every hour, I believe. Yep.
Come on, you dancing fool.
We are all pretty hungry, so we're gonna come in here to the Sleigh shed. It's actually the train shed here in Union Station, but they do a whole overhaul during Christmas time and turn it into the Sleigh shed. Here is their specialty holiday drink menu. They have the alcoholic version on this side, and then on the back they have the mocktails and the desserts. And the food menu is the same as they have all year round.
I see something inside.
What do you see inside?
I see wings. You can lick
My
it.
drink, I got the Santa's Red Eye Fix, which is vodka, vanilla, liqueur, cold brew, heavy cream, whipping cream, and cookies crumble. And then Brennan got the, what is it called? The Noel Nut with eggnog, brandy, gingerbread, cold foam,
Can please
and a
have
little cookie on the side.
Can
Really?
please have
That was very unnecessary. Thank you, thank you. So we got the stuffed tots, and we just ordered all appetizers, but stuffed tots. This is the fried macaroni and cheese, toasted raviolis. We are in St. Louis, so have to represent.
St. Louis.
And deviled eggs.
Double egg. Is this my food?
It's all of ours. We're going to share. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog. We did the Polar Express. We went to the Sleigh shed. The food was amazing. That's actually our second time going this holiday season. We went last year as well, and the food and drinks are always on point. It's so good. The vibe is so nice, and the decorations are really, really pretty. It's just an experience. You have to go. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you all next time.